Hi, welcome to another video on Awkward Hamster. This time it's a review of a third-party case for the Apple iPad 2. There are others out there like me that's just not too fond of the smart cover that came out with it with the iPad 2, and one of the reasons is that it doesn't really protect the back, and I just really hope that Apple would have came out with a cover very similar to the iPad 1. Alas, I was driven to a third-party case, and on eBay you'll find that these types are being sold by all sorts of vendors, and they range from $5 to $7 after shipping. I received mine today. It took about 2 weeks for it to arrive. It was shipped from Hong Kong. The material is synthetic leather. There's 2 magnets, one at each corner over here. Let's see how this lines up. The home button is accessible, but over here there's a bit of a protrusion. The front camera is fine. The speaker is exposed. Charging port is accessible. The lock button, volume rocker is exposed. Microphone, power, audio jack, everything is exposed. It all lines up. Even though there's a magnet, you can still see the light. The screen light is still powered on. So they obviously did not place enough magnets to turn off the screen automatically. But hey, I can't complain. It's only a $7 item. One of the reasons I bought something like this is just so that I can rest it on my lap. It's fine. Let's see how that's not safe. I guess you can always try adjusting it some more, but it's not as stable as I want it to be, or hoped. Well, as long as no one kicks the table or there's no earthquake, it won't fall over. But unfortunately, can't rest it this way safely. If any of you can better recommend a nicer iPad 2 case for the iPad 2, please shoot me a message. Well, thanks for watching. Awkward Hamster. Have a nice day.